Hello, my friends, my sweet crafty friends. I am back and I have been sewing my signatures in. I did not put the insert in because it was already so big. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 signatures, and as you can see, it's going to be quite big. Grab my measuring tape here. And the spine of it's going to be 6.5 inches. So it's going to be quite a large Christmas journal. Haven't made my cover yet, but I will be doing that. That's my next step. And then I will be gluing it in. Now let me show you what I have done. I made myself a little template here. So I had the same amount of distance in between each one. Let me turn it around so it's not upside down. Okay. I took a piece of cardboard, chipboard, okay, and then I glued some, let me lift it up so I can show you, wood print cardstock to it. Really good. Then I flipped it over and I measured it out so that I had the same amount of distance in between each signature. Okay, and I went all the way to the top so that I could line up the crease when I went to do it, each one, with that line. Okay, and I used these clips and clipped it in each time as it was open. You know, I started with one and I clip it in and then sew it and then go from there. Each one was done the same. The next time that I do one, this is the first time I've done it this way. So the next time that I do it this way, I will show you. Now I forgot to pull my thread all the way through. I did use this candle wicking yarn and I used like 2 or 3 layers of it. Not just one, 2 or 3 layers to make it nice and thick so that it would hold. But that's how I've done, and now when I put it into my book cover, this whole thing, I will E6000 this whole thing into that. The whole thing will be glued into it. Okay? E6000 is a really good glue for that. And then I will have an invisible spine. Now I don't know if anyone else does it this way. This is the first time I've done it this way. I just thought about it and I've tried different ways, and this journal is just, I don't know what it is with me. I just wanted it to be extra special. And I've done a lot of things with this one that I have never done before. And so I wanted to try something different with my spine. So that's what I've done so far to have an invisible spine. Now I will make my cover probably tomorrow if I have time. And then I will E6000 glue this into there. Okay. So that I have an invisible, the outside of the book does not show the spine. Okay. So let me show you what we've got. Let me lay it down. Move everything else out of the way so the camera can focus. This is what it will look like close. See, there's the same amount in between each signature. It looks nice and neat. And I have left the same amount of space here and the same amount of space here. So there's plenty of room whenever it is filled up. And if you look in between each one, you've got that same amount of space in between each signature, allowing for plenty of room for expansion as things are added to it. Like this. Okay, say you get Christmas cards and things like that. Because I've left pockets, like here I've left a place for a photo. Let's just do a flip through. Here's a little tuck spot for something. A children's book page, a pocket with a tag, writing space, and I did go ahead and lace some of the seam binding through. I decided to go with this, and I've added a few charms here and there. When you get your Christmas cards, you have room to keep them. Put them in here and keep them. Your friends, say you have a Christmas party or Christmas get-together, have them write you little Christmas notes. They can leave you little Christmas notes. There's plenty of secret places and, you know, plenty of places for them to write, and just leave you little Christmas notes in here. So here we go. We have this little tuck spot with this cute little thing with all these little tags. You can take the tags out and use them. A little card. Your friends can write your little notes on those, or even here and around that. And another pocket. Tuck spot with some little things in there. Another pocket with a tag. I need to go back and add a charm here. Another little page here. And at the top of here, let me stand it up and show you. There are bags that open at the top as well. This little thing flips. Whoops, that little tag came out. There's little mini tags for people to write in, or for yourself to write in if you wanted to. Place here. Got a little bridge card there. Place to write here with papers. Another bag. A ledger page. Place to write here. Little tuck spot with some cute little things in there. Writing space here. And that's a bag at the top. And here we have a bag here. So you've got lots of storage space, and I'm going to add charms here. You can do a lot of writing here. Another bag at the top. And this is a bag. So lots of storage space. Cute little card there. Little coloring page. Secret writing place here. And then you have this. This is the ephemera that we made today, or yesterday it may have been. Okay. More journal space. Coffee filter. Can't have a junk journal without a coffee filter. Let your heart be light. Stamping. Storybook page. More writing space here with all these little coffee dyed papers and stuff. And that can go this way, or it can go this way because there's a bag here. Okay. Writing space here. And also, yeah, that's a bag. A pocket with a couple of little things in there. Same thing here. And again, you've got a lot of space to allow for expansion when you fill those pockets up. Another little pocket there. Bag here. Storybook page. And I love this paper. Here you have this flip for writing. You have a pocket here. And you have a little pocket here with a card in it. And an envelope that I Mod Podged a napkin onto and cut the sides off and made a pocket. And here we just have some more ephemera like this. It's a bingo card. And that just goes right down in there. And a little small journal. Still need to put my seam binding through this one. Another bag. Another place to write there. Pocket. Some little things there. Some more things here. Another tuck spot here with a journal card. I love this. Every time I look at it, I love it. Bag. Got a little envelope with a little journal card, and there's a little cute little thing. Have a little pocket here with a cute little thing, and then this flips up for journaling. Another bag. A couple of journal cards. Journal card and a tag, and again you have plenty of space for expansion. As you fill these pockets up with cards, it's got a tag in it that needs to be decorated. Place for a photo, place for writing. And you can see how nicely it lays as you're looking through it. Lots more writing space here, little papers to pull out and write on. Or for friends to leave notes or just to journal on. Another bag. And another little memo pad here for various pages to write on. And see the trim at the top. Cute little tuck spot here. And that is also a bag at the top. Some little places for notes. And these can be removed. They have been put in there with washi tape. Another bag at the top. Little journal spot inside here. A little flip here. These, I have included some extras of these. I will include some washi tape. I need to add some of my seam binding through this. Another bag, and here's the extra sheets of that, of this. Card, a little tuck spot with a card, and a little teeny tiny mini journal. And there's that. And somewhere in here, I have also included a paper clip. Where did I put my paper clip? Can't have a journal without a paper clip. Here it is. It's clipped right on this little thing. And what this is like a match box. Remember the old match boxes? Just a little memo pad. That flips right up in there. And then you have your paper clip here. So there you have it. The next phase we will be doing our cover, and then we will do our final added touches, and then it will be finished. So I thank you. God bless. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. And if you want to receive future videos, just ding that little bell. Thank you. God bless. Bye-bye. Good night.